All right, let's switch gears now and talk matters tourism. Now, the rise in tourism numbers has contributed to profitability within the hospitality industry in Kenya, with the sector recording huge numbers. Many players within the industry are gearing up for the festive season, with Tamarind Group setting the pace to usher in the festive period.
We pride ourselves as the Africa's greatest eating experience, and it's all about meat. We have 17 cuts of meat, the ones that we serve to our customers. Yeah. So basically, we know what it takes in anything to do with the meat and the art of meat grilling and meat carving. Well, we are gearing up for the festive period. At the carnival, we have everything for everybody. We can customize your menu to suit your event, from as low as 10 people to 2,000, something we've done. And everyone is welcome. We just get into a round table, we discuss it, and we are good. From as early as 20th, we shall enhance our menu, and we shall be able to serve, the Christmas turkey, the Christmas pudding, to just bring everybody into the mood, the festive mood.
All right, away from matters of tourism to SMEs. Now, the cabinet